What is gene? The word gene was coined by W. Johansen in 1909. A gene is a physical and functional unit of heredity. It carries information from one generation to the next. Gene is also defined as a nucleotide sequence that is responsible for the production of specific protein. Why has one gene, one enzyme hypothesis been modified into one gene, one polypeptide hypothesis? The relation between genes and enzymes was discovered by Beardall and Totham. Their findings are referred to as one gene, one enzyme hypothesis. Now, the hypothesis can be modified to one gene, one polypeptide hypothesis because the product of gene action is always polypeptide. Define genome. Genome may be defined as the totality of the DNA sequences of an organism, including DNAs present in mitochondria and chloroplast. Each species has a characteristic number of chromosomes in the nuclei of its gametes and somatic cells. Write short notes on genome. Genome may be defined as the totality of the DNA sequences of an organism, including DNAs present in mitochondria and chloroplast. Each species has a characteristic number of chromosomes in the nuclei of its gametes and somatic cells. The gametic chromosome number constitutes a basic set of chromosomes of the organism. In all organisms, it is made up of DNA, but in viruses, it is made up of either DNA or RNA. The genome size of an individual is expressed in terms of number of base pairs either in kilobases or in megabases. The Arabidopsis thaliana is an annual crucifer weed called Thalacris. It has smallest nuclear genome of 130 MB with 5 chromosomes. The human genome comprises approximately 3.2 into 10 to the power 9 nucleotides. The human mitochondrial genome consists of 37 genes and has 16,569 base pairs. Human genome, 38.2% of genome is involved in biochemical activities like synthesis of immunological and structural proteins, 23.2% in the maintenance of genome, 21.1% in receiving and giving signals related to cellular activities, and remaining 17.5% in the general functions of the cell. The functions of 30,000 to 40,000 human genes are known.
Please subscribe our channel for more videos and educational content.